Hello and good afternoon. We are here with all the important topics right before the U.S. stock market rings the bell. Supermicro and Deckers Outdoor Corp are scheduled to be included in the S&P 500 index, marking a significant reshaping of Wall Street's most closely watched stock benchmark. This announcement, made by S&P Dow Jones Indices, will see these companies replace Whirlpool Corp and Zion Bancorporation, reflecting the dynamic nature of the stock market. The inclusion of Supermicro and Deckers is expected to prompt substantial buying activity among index funds that track the S&P 500, necessitating the acquisition of shares in the newly added companies to maintain alignment with the benchmark's composition. These index funds, popular investment vehicles on Wall Street, command assets totaling approximately $7.8 trillion. Supermicro, known for its high-end servers powered by Nvidia's leading AI processors, has seen its stock value more than triple within the year, with its market value exceeding $50 billion. The company's shares witnessed nearly $10 billion in trading volume on a single Friday, surpassing transactions of major firms like Microsoft and Amazon. This surge in interest and trading volume underscores investor anticipation and the market impact of Supermicro's inclusion in the S&P 500. Toyota has announced a substantial investment of 11 billion reais, $2.2 billion, in Brazil, signifying a major expansion of its operations in the country. This investment, disclosed by Brazil's vice president, is poised to create 2,000 jobs and introduce new vehicle models, highlighting Toyota's commitment to the Brazilian market and its growth prospects. The investment plan will be officially unveiled at an event in Toyota's Sorocaba factory, located in the state of São Paulo. This strategic move is part of Toyota's efforts to enhance its manufacturing capabilities and product offerings in Brazil, including the production of a hybrid car and a sport utility vehicle, SUV, at the Sorocaba facility. The decision to invest in Brazil aligns with Toyota's global strategy to adapt to evolving market demands and environmental standards. It also positions Toyota alongside other global automakers such as Volkswagen, General Motors, and Hyundai Motor, which have recently announced additional investments in Brazil. This collective surge in foreign automotive investment underscores Brazil's attractiveness as a key player in the global automotive industry. Following a court ruling that deemed Elon Musk's massive Tesla pay package illegal, the attorneys representing Tesla shareholders have submitted a request for an unprecedented legal fee award. They are seeking company stock valued at $5.6 billion, which, if approved, would constitute one of the largest legal fee awards in history. This request comes after a Delaware judge sided with the shareholders in January, challenging the legality of Musk's compensation package. The lawyers argued that their work, which spanned over 5 years on a contingency basis, resulted in a massive benefit to Tesla, justifying their substantial fee request. This legal battle and its outcomes highlight the intricate dynamics of corporate governance and compensation practices. The legal team's fee request, amounting to 11% of the Tesla stock Musk sought in his compensation package, underscores the financial stakes involved in high-profile legal disputes. Additionally, the request is framed as not only a reward for their successful litigation effort, but also as a measure that would not directly impact Tesla's balance sheet, further emphasizing the complex interplay between corporate litigation and financial implications. This is all we have for you today. We are MEXEM TV and we will be here next week. Same place, same time. Goodbye.